Welcome to our project presentation on home automation initiated by third year EXTC department under guidance of Dr. Shehbaz Haq. Our group consists of 5 members. Myself, Aftab Alam Mansuri, roll number 188026. Introduction. Home automation is the automatic control of electronic devices in your home. Those devices are connected to the internet, which allows them to be controlled remotely with home automation devices from anywhere around the world, with some applications and voice control like Google Assistant or Alexa. For example, you can put your lights on schedule so that they turn off when you normally go to sleep, or you can have your thermostat turn the AC up about an hour before you return to work so that you don't have to return to a stuffy house. Introduction. Home automation is also used in day-to-day life. For example, in cutting food wastage, for calculating how much food will be required by taking a survey, and also used in health department. Further slide will be continued by Afzan Mustafa.
Hello, my name is Afzan Mustafa. I'm from EXTC department. My roll number is 188011. So today I will be explaining the components required in our home automation project. So there are 6 components. First component is Arduino Uno. Second component is two-channel relay 5 volt. Third component is Bluetooth module. Fourth component is load bulb of 220 volt. Fifth component is connecting wires, and sixth component used is Veroboard. So first, Arduino Uno. Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs, light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a Twitter message, and turn it into an output, activating a motor, turning on an LED, publishing something online. You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. To do so, we use the Arduino programming language based on wiring and the Arduino software IDE based on processing. So this was about the Arduino. Our second component used is a two-channel relay 5 volt. So the two-channel relay of 5 volt is a relay interface board. It can be controlled directly by a wide range of microcontrollers such as Arduino, AVR, PIC, ARM, and so on. It uses a low-level triggered control signal of in range 3 to 3.5 VDC to control the relay. Triggering the relay operates the normally open or normally closed contacts. So this was about the two-channel relay. Our third component used is a Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module we used in this project is a HC05 Bluetooth module. It is an easy to use Bluetooth SPP. SPP stands for Serial Port Protocol Module, designed for transparent wireless serial connection setup. HC05 Bluetooth module provides a switching mode between master and slave mode, which means it able to use neither receiving nor transmitting data. So this was from my side. I further transfer it to my friend Zaid Ali Ghori.
Thank you very much, Afzan Mustafa. I am Zaid Ali Gori, 188014 from HTC department. I'm going to talk about our fourth component, which is load bulb. Now, the specification of the load bulb can be chosen according to our component that we are going to attach to the circuit. So here we are going to use 220 volts. What is load bulb? Load bulb is an apparatus which is used to check different components, many components without damaging the components. Components like transformers, LED lights, relays can be checked with the help of the load bulb. The specification for the load lamp allows for the fact that the switch on current of a filament lamp is 10 times greater than the rated current. The resistance only rises sharply as a result of a filament heating up. The lamp load is characterized in datasheets by wattage specification. The next we are going to talk about connecting wires. We all know what are connecting wires. These are the fundamentals of any circuit in an electronic device. Connecting wires are nothing but copper wires which are covered with an insulating material. Uh, Wires, as we all know, are used to establish electric conductivity between two devices of an electrical circuit. They possess negligible resistance to the passage of current. The next we are going to talk about is Veroboard. Veroboard, also widely known as Zero PCB, is a brand of strip board, a pre-formed circuit board material of copper strips on an insulating bonded paper board, which was originated and developed in early 1960s. That's all from my side. Now, I would like to give the PPT presentation to my friend and my colleague, Jose Mujib. Thank you.
Thank you, Zaid. Myself, Hussein Mujib Mullah, 188015. Thank you, Zaid. It's Hussein Mujib Mullah, roll number 188015. I would like to continue with the description of home automation. Uh, Arduino-based home automation using Bluetooth help the user to control any electronic device using Android. So Android device, the Android app sends commands to the Bluetooth module, and the Arduino, it's then further sent to the relay module, which is then given to the device to control its on-off system. Okay, when the user presses the on button displayed on the app, the device is switched on or off according to the user. This project of home automation using Bluetooth and Android can be used for controlling any AC or DC device. For better understanding, let's move to the block diagram. Talking about the block diagram, looking at it, it's looking very simple, and it's simple as it looks. So first we have the Android device which send a signal to the Bluetooth module. Bluetooth module further sends it to the Android Uno. Android Uno using the code sends the command to the relay module, and according to the code, the relay module sends it to the appliances that has to be switched on or off. For more better understanding, let's move to the circuit diagram. Seeing the circuit diagram, the main component here is the Arduino Uno, which contains the coding. Arduino Uno is connected to the Bluetooth module and the relay module. uh, in Bluetooth module, the receiver is connected to the transmitter of Arduino, and a transmitter of Bluetooth is connected to the receiver of Arduino. It's opposite, and the ground is connected to the ground of Arduino. For the power supply, the Bluetooth module has 5-volt power supply. It's connected to the Arduino Uno's power supply, which has the main power supply. And looking at the relay, the VCC, which is the power supply, is connected to the Android and Arduino power supply, and the ground is connected to the ground of the Arduino. uh, there are two ports here, that's in 1 and in 2. It's connected to the 9 and 8 of the Arduino, which completely depends on the coding that has been done in Arduino. It can be connected to any one of it. And as you can see, there are two relays shown in the diagram, where here we can connect two appliances. So it's directly connected to the appliances, and as we discussed earlier, relay plays the most important part here to send the signal to the appliances. For next slides, I would like to forward it to Mahesh. Thank you.
Thank you, Zeb. I am Mahesh Biradar, 1882 12 from EXTC department. I like to present applications and limitations of home automation. The inefficiency of operation of conventional wall switches can be overwhelmed during various home automation systems without using conventional switchboard. That means we can remotely control all the appliances of our home by sitting any of the places beside our surroundings. The loss of power can be reduced. Home automation system will automatically door lock and security cameras facilities more security. It is for security based purpose. The IF, RF and Android application Arduino Bluetooth DTF based on home automation system can be more efficient provided ease of operation, uh, provide safety from electrical power short circuit while using conventional wall switches to operate loads. By using home automation, we can save a lot of time to operate home appliances from anywhere. Uh, Next, limitations of home automation. IoT device doesn't have any electronic compatibility standard, which I think will be developed in further upcoming years. These could be difficult to use for elderly people. For IoT is less useful in case of frequently internet disconnection. Without internet, we cannot operate an IoT-based system. Reduction in the employment of manual tasks, thus resulting into the job reduction like watchmen, sweepers, utensil cleaner maid, housekeeping, home attendants, general store nearby. Internet of Things device may take control of life in due course of time with increasing AI technology. Next, in this following conclusion, in this following PPT, we discuss how different components can be used to bring ease to our day-to-day life. Further, we explain each component of IoT system, that is Bluetooth module and so on. We also explain how we can design an IoT system using above components such as Bluetooth module, Veroboard, Arduino Uno with ease. Also, we discuss the applications. For example, health, as of my friend said in the starting of the PPT, it is used to monitor a patient health without even visiting the hospital, and limitation of IoT devices. Thus, how we conclude our presentation. So that this is so that it is for now. We are glad you have you on our project presentation of home automation. We hope you liked our work. Thank you.